noise pollution. In deeply, I will explain noise sources and their effects, etc. My purpose is to make people aware of noise pollution and also their effects on our health. Oh, at the last of the video, I will suggest you to some easy ways to reduce the noise pollution. So keep watching. Noise pollution is the family member of some dangerous pollution like air, water, etc. Similarly, with its name, it is related with the sound, only unpleasant sound. To lift this pollution, all are visible. It is too dangerous because it is invisible and harmful. Some common causes of noise pollution are honking of vehicles, construction, parties, worship places, concerts, factories of horns, and giant exhaust fans. These sounds are very unpleasant and irritating for all, like human, birds, animals, and marine life also. This pollution affects on our inner parts of our body like mind, ear, and heart. It is dangerous for all living beings. These are some common effects of noise pollution. Problems of noise pollution. Hearing impairment, it decreases the efficiency of a man. Lack of concentration, it cause of heart attack. Mental illness, digestive problems. It also cause of temporary or permanently deafness. Effect on property, effects on animals, speech interference, etc. etc. These are very dangerous. To live life in the world safely, we need to reduce the noise pollution because it is going out of limits. As I told you in the starting, now I am going to share some ways to reduce the noise pollution. To save ourselves and environment too, we need to search new technology. Either or, we need to develop our present technology. More effective traffic management schemes like horn more, wait more. We need to make limitations for parties and loudspeakers. Introducing the noise zones along traffic routes and airports. By planting bushes and trees in and around sound generating sources is an effectively solution for noise pollution. Regularly servicing and tuning the automobiles can effectively reduce the noise level.